Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix you have reached the weekly deactivation limit for this Instagram account issue on your Instagram account. So guys, if you are trying to deactivate your Instagram account but you are facing this issue and you are unable to deactivate your account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, basically this is not a problem. If you have tried to deactivate your account for so many times in recent days, then you will get this pop-up to deactivate your account. So guys, basically you have to simply wait for the given time that says try again in 7 days, and after this your account will be deactivated easily. So guys, basically this is the limit which you have reached if you have tried to deactivate your account for so many times on your Instagram account. Then you will get this limit, and after this ends you will be able to delete or deactivate your account very easily. So guys, you have to simply wait for the time, and after this you will be able to delete it very easily. And the other thing is that you can also uninstall the Instagram app if you want to take a break from Instagram. So guys, you have to simply do this if you want to take a break from Instagram, and you can either wait for the given time, and after this you will be able to deactivate your account very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.